unlimited text in one. Ensure
I'm Corazon Tabora, looking for my brother Eduardo Tabora in America. They are always asking my friends. They said she married an American girl.
Smart.
Please connect us. Tell me where you are. We are always thinking of you. Please, Eddie, if you don't like to come on, just write us. It is okay. Our mother died already. Thinking of you.
Whopper Monday.
Are always praying that you must be coming home. Your friend said your wife does not like you to come in the Philippines. It's only a visit come. You must visit my mother and our Philippine Islands.
Daily serving.
Come home, Eddie. Please permit him to go home.
Sabihin mo pangalan mo.
I am Corazon Tabora, looking for my brother Eduardo Tabora here in USA. I don't know where exactly. Please, may you connect us. Thank you for giving us a connection with you. We pray that you must be your one, must be once in a year only.
I love you, ma'am.
I love you.
I miss you.
Tabora.